What's going on, guys? Fully here with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube to do a little edumacation. So this is wheels versus rims. What's the difference? What's the big deal? And why do so many people get them confused? So we get this question all the time, or we get people that interact with us, or even vendors sometimes. Some people say rims, some people say wheels. So what's the difference between the two anyway? And the short answer is essentially that there isn't really a difference. It just really depends on where you're brought up, who raised you, what they said, and now what you say. There is some sort of like, I guess not cultural, but geographical. Some people in certain places say things different than other places do. It's just part of the dialect. So this is a wheel. This is a tire, and this is a wheel and tire assembly, or you'll hear people call it wheel and tire package. So let me break down the parts for you if you want to understand and learn a little bit about what's going on. So essentially there's three parts to a wheel. The center, we're going to call the hub. We're using what I usually call them in industry standard terms. So some people might also have different names for this, but centerpiece is going to be the hub. And I'm not talking about like the cap. I'm talking about the center portion of the wheel. That's going to be your hub. Then you have spokes, which are going to be the pieces which extend to this outer part, which is called the rim. So when someone talks about the rim of a wheel, they're literally talking about, sometimes they might call it a barrel. So it's like the outer section, the rim of the wheel. This whole thing is called a wheel. Just this piece is called a rim. So if you want to be an expert, that's what you need to know. Now, other times in the world of cars or multi-piece wheels, people have different names as well. Like I said, this could be the barrel, which is the outer part of the wheel, just the rim of it. And then like, instead of spokes, you might hear some people call them the face of a wheel, because on a multi-piece, you can actually unbolt this center portion and take it out. So on like a two-piece or a three-piece wheel, you might have a front, back, and a face. Those are your three pieces. But in the truck world, in general, this is your wheel. It's got the hub, the spokes, and the rim. When somebody talks about a tire, it's obviously just the tire. Other people will sometimes call this a rim and this a wheel. My girlfriend is a prime example of that, because she had no idea that you could like get these pieces separate. So this is a wheel and tire assembly, or a package, where you have the tire mounted on the wheel, which seats in the bead seat, which is on the rim of the wheel, your spokes, your hub, your tire pressure sensors, your valve stem caps, everything all together. That's your wheel and tire package. That's what we do. So you can buy wheels and tires shipped, mounted right to your door. It's free shipping in the lower 48 states, and free mountain balance as well. So if you're trying to pick something up that looks like this, and you're not sure quite exactly what you're talking about because you're new to the truck world, new to the wheel and tire world, this is what you're getting shipped to your door if you get a wheel and tire package. This is just a wheel, not a rim. Although if you want to call it a rim, go for it. We're not going to correct you, but some of your smart friends probably will. So that's all I got for you. I'm Fuller from Custom Offsets, wheel, tire, suspension, CustomOffsets.com. That's what we do. Peace.